This is the 11th annual Banff and Lake Louise Housekeeping Olympics. And we had 18 teams here today of 10 plus housekeepers and all their cheerleaders competing in events like mop race, vacuum relay, bed making, towel folding, towel art, and buffer pad toss. We put the event on because housekeeping professionals are really the heart of the tourism industry in Banff and Lake Louise, and they're the ones making sure that the tourists have the best experience when they come here. They're hardworking, and this is just a way to celebrate them before they get into the really busy summer season.